Hello everyone, welcome back to another product review, and in today's video we will be unboxing this basketball set. Okay, let's have a closer look on what will you get when you buy this basketball set. When you buy this basketball set, everything comes with it and it's very easy to build with. It even comes with instruction to guide you on how to build it. And here is my process of building the basketball myself. Well, there you go. As you can see, it's very easy to build, and this is the final product. You can also adjust the height from here using this screw, and this is where you could fill in water into the base, so it's very stable. And if you're interested, please check the link in the description to get yours now, and until next time, bye.